Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into working with JSON in Java using the org.json package. This package provides a simple, lightweight way to create, parse, and manipulate JSON data within your Java applications. This tutorial will cover everything from setting up the org.json library to performing common JSON operations with clear code examples. Table of Contents. 1. Introduction to JSON. 2. Introduction to the org.json library. 3. Setting up the org.json library, dependencies. 4. Core classes, jsonobject and jsonarray. 5. Creating JSON objects. Asterisk creating from scratch. Asterisk creating from a string. Asterisk creating from a map. 6. Creating JSON arrays. Asterisk creating from scratch. Asterisk creating from a collection. 7. Accessing data from JSON objects and arrays. Asterisk retrieving values. Asterisk handling missing keys. Asterisk iterating through arrays. 8. Modifying JSON objects and arrays. Asterisk adding / updating key value pairs. Asterisk removing key value pairs. Asterisk adding elements to arrays. 9. Working with nested JSON. Asterisk creating nested structures. Asterisk accessing nested data. 10. Converting JSON to strings. 11. Parsing JSON from strings. 12. Working with null values. 13. Error handling. 14. Practical example, reading and writing JSON to a file. 15. Advanced techniques. Asterisk JSON tokener. Asterisk JSON writer. Asterisk custom serialization / deserialization, if needed. 16. Best practices. 17. Conclusion. 1. Introduction to JSON. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. It's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. JSON is widely used for transmitting data in web applications, example sending data from a server to a client, or vice versa. Here's a simple example of JSON data. Key concepts asterisk. Asterisk objects asterisk represented by curly braces. They are collections of key value pairs. Asterisk arrays asterisk represented by square brackets. They are ordered lists of values. Asterisk key value pairs asterisk keys are strings, enclosed in double quotes, and values can be strings, numbers, booleans, other JSON objects, arrays, or null. 2. Introduction to the org.json library. The org.json library is a Java library that provides classes for working with JSON data. It's a relatively simple and lightweight library that allows you to asterisk create JSON objects and arrays. Asterisk parse JSON strings into Java objects. Asterisk serialize Java objects into JSON strings. Asterisk manipulate JSON data, add, update, remove elements. Why use org.json? Asterisk simplicity asterisk it's easy to learn and use. Asterisk lightweight asterisk it has a small footprint. Asterisk no external dependencies, it can be used standalone. Alternatives to org.json asterisk. While org.json is a good starting point, other popular JSON libraries for Java include *Jackson * highly performant and feature-rich. Excellent for complex serialization / deserialization scenarios. *JSON, Google another popular library that's easy to use and integrates well with Google APIs. *JSONB, Jakarta.json binding, a standard API for JSON binding in Java EE/Jakarta EE. Choose the library that best suits your project's needs. For simple tasks and learning, org.json is a solid choice. 3. Setting up the org.json library, dependencies. First, you need to add the org.json library to your project. Since it is lightweight, it is not always available on Maven or Gradle, but you can always include it manually in your project. Maven**. If you are using Maven, add the following dependency to your pom.xml file. *Gradle**. If you are using Gradle, add the following dependency to your build.gradle file. *manual download*. 1. Go to the Maven Central Repository, https://repository.com/artifact/org.json/json, https://mvnrepository.com/artifact/org.json/json. 2. Download the jar file, example JSON20231013.jar. 3. Add the jar file to your project's class path. In most IDEs, you can add it to a lib folder and then add that folder to the project's build path/class path. 4. Core classes, JSonObject and jsonarray. The org.json library revolves around two primary classes. *JSonObject* represents a JSON object, a collection of key-value pairs. *JSonArray* represents a JSON array, an ordered list of values. 5. Creating JSON objects. 5.1 Creating from scratch. You can create a JSON object instance and add key-value pairs to it. Output*. Explanation*. New JSON object creates an empty JSON object. *person.put key value adds a key value pair to the object. The put method accepts various data types, strings, numbers, booleans, other JSON objects, arrays, null. *to string 2 converts the JSON object to a string representation, with an indent of 2 spaces for better readability. Without the indent, it would be a single line. 5.2 Creating from a string. You can create a JSON object from an existing JSON string. Output*. Explanation*. New JSON object, JSON string, parses the JSON string and creates a JSON object. Error handling. Parsing JSON from a string can fail if the string is not valid JSON. It's crucial to wrap this in a try-catch block to handle potential JSON exceptions. 5.3 Creating from a map. You can create a JSON object from a Java map. Output*. Explanation*. New JSON object, map, creates a JSON object from the provided map. The keys of the map become the keys of the JSON object, and the values become the values in the JSON object. The map values will be converted to the appropriate JSON types, strings, numbers, booleans, etc. 6. Creating JSON arrays. 6.1 Creating from scratch. You can create a JSON array instance and add elements to it. Output*. Explanation*. New JSON array creates an empty JSON array. Numbers.put value adds a value to the end of the array. The put method accepts various data types. 6.2 Creating from a collection. You can create a JSON array from a Java collection, like a list or set. Output asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk new JSON array, collection, creates a JSON array from the provided collection. The elements of the collection become the elements of the JSON array. 7. Accessing data from JSON objects and arrays. 7.1 Retrieving values. You can retrieve values from a JSON object using the getKey method, which returns an object, or the type-specific getString, key, getInt, key, getBoolean, key, etc. methods. Output asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk getString, key, getInt, key. These methods retrieve the value associated with the given key, casting it to the specified type. If the key doesn't exist or the value is not of the expected type, a JSON exception will be thrown. Asterisk get, key, this method returns an object. You'll need to cast it to the appropriate type. To access elements in a JSON array, use the getIndex method, which returns an object, or the type-specific getString, index, getInt, index, getBoolean, index, etc. methods. Output asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk get, index, retrieves the element at the specified index. Indices start at 0. Asterisk important asterisk like with JSON object, you must handle potential JSON exception if the index is out of bounds or if the value is not of the expected type. 7.2 Handling missing keys. If you try to access a key that doesn't exist in a JSON object, a JSON exception will be thrown. To avoid this, you can use the hasKey method to check if a key exists before attempting to retrieve its value, or you can use the opt asterisk methods, which return default values if the key is missing. Output asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk hasKey returns true if the JSON object contains the specified key, false otherwise. Asterisk opt string, key, default value, returns the value associated with the key, or the default value if the key is missing. There are opt-int, opt-boolean, etc. methods available for other data types. The opt asterisk methods return 0 or false, if the value does not exist or cannot be converted. 7.3 Iterating through arrays. You can iterate through a JSON array using a for loop. Output asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk animals.length, returns the number of elements in the array. Asterisk the for loop iterates from index 0 to animals.length, 1. 8. Modifying JSON objects and arrays. 8.1 Adding/updating key value pairs. You can add or update key value pairs in a JSON object using the put_key value method. If the key already exists, the value associated with that key will be updated. Output asterisk. 8.2 Removing key value pairs. You can remove a key value pair from a JSON object using the remove_key method. Output asterisk. 8.3 Adding elements to arrays. You can add elements to the end of a JSON array using the put_value method, as shown in the array creation examples. You can also insert elements at a specific index using put_index_value. If the index is out of bounds, a JSON exception will be thrown. Output asterisk. 9. Working with nested JSON. Nested JSON structures are JSON objects or arrays contained within other JSON objects or arrays. This allows you to represent complex hierarchical data. 9.1 Creating nested structures. Output asterisk. 9.2 Accessing nested data. To access nested data, you chain together the get asterisk methods. Output asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk get JSONobject, key, retrieves a nested JSONobject associated with a key. Asterisk get JSONarray, key, retrieves a nested JSONarray associated with a key. 10. Converting JSON to strings. The toString method of JSONobject and JSONarray converts them to a JSON string. ToString, int indent factor, allows you to format the string with indentation for readability. Output asterisk. 11. Parsing JSON from strings. We already saw this in the section on creating JSONobject and JSONarray from strings. The constructors new JSONobject, string JSONstring, and new JSONarray, string JSONstring, are used for parsing. Remember to handle potential JSON exception errors. 12. Working with null values. In JSON, null represents a missing or unknown value. You can put null values into JSONobject S and JSONarray S. Output asterisk. Important asterisk use JSONobject.null, a singleton object, instead of the Java null keyword when you want to represent a null value in JSON. The org.json library treats Java null differently. 13. Error handling. Always wrap your JSON operations in try-catch blocks to handle potential JSON exception errors. These errors can occur when parsing invalid JSON strings, accessing keys that don't exist, attempting to retrieve values of the wrong type, inserting elements at invalid indices in an array. 14. Practical example, reading and writing JSON to a file. Explanation asterisk. 1. Writing to file asterisk. Files.write string, is used to write the JSON string to a file. Standard open option .create creates the file if it doesn't exist. Standard open option .truncate _ existing overwrites the file if it already exists. 2. Reading from file files.read string, reads the entire content of the file into a string. The string is then parsed into a JSON object. 3. Error handling both the file writing and reading operations are wrapped in try-catch blocks to handle potential I/O exception and JSON exception errors. 15. Advanced techniques. While the basic JSONobject and JSONarray classes are sufficient for most tasks, the org.json library also provides other classes for more advanced use cases. JSON tokener This class is used to tokenize a JSON string, which can be useful for custom parsing scenarios. You would rarely use this directly unless you were creating a JSON parser yourself. JSON writer allows you to incrementally build a JSON document. Again, you'd rarely use this directly unless you needed very fine-grained control over JSON generation. Output custom serialization/deserialization, if needed for more complex scenarios, consider using Jackson or JSON, which offer advanced features for mapping Java objects to JSON and vice versa. Serialization and deserialization. org.json is generally not used for this purpose. 16. Best practices. Error handling always use try-catch blocks to handle potential JSON exception errors. Use opt methods use the opt string, opt int, etc. methods to handle missing keys gracefully. Use constants for frequently used keys, consider defining them as constants to avoid typos. Choose the right library. For complex serialization/deserialization scenarios, consider JSON or JSON instead of org.json. Version control. Keep your org.json library up to date to benefit from bug fixes and new features. Formatting. Use to string, int indent factor, for readable JSON output during development and debugging. 17. Conclusion. The org.json library provides a straightforward way to work with JSON data in Java. It's suitable for simple tasks like creating, parsing, and manipulating JSON objects and arrays. By understanding the core classes, jsonobject and jsonarray, and the methods for accessing, modifying, and converting JSON data, you can effectively integrate JSON into your Java applications. For more complex scenarios involving automatic serialization/deserialization, consider using JSON or JSON. Remember to always handle potential JSON exception errors and follow best practices for clean and maintainable code. Good luck.